Hello guys and girls, boom, welcome back. We're on to part 2, that's part 1 over there, that's already done. I'm just tidying that up, but I'm going to bring you in just a little bit because I didn't think you were in far enough last time, but hey, now then, haha, here we go. Now this is a Voltex bag, sealed bag, and we've got sealed bags inside, and it's the first time for me for a 10p coin hunt. Now, Mr. T said it would be interesting to see if we find any world coins in here, because whether they get into passed over the counter in my branch or whether they're actually in the system generally, because I do have a lot of world coins that I've found in the 10p coin hunt. Yeah, what I need is a really good stats man. You keeping the score? Oh, somebody I hope is keeping the score. Where did that go? There it is. There we are, part of the shield. There we are. We're looking for the alphabet letters 2018 and 19. If you're watching this, it's too late to get your guess in for an alphabet because you can only guess in part 1 before anything else is published. Yes. Okay. So, but if not, if you're too late, don't worry because there'll probably be another one next week. Yay. There we go. Oh. And another strange coloured one. I'm going to put that to one side. We'll put that away. Another bag, please. Here we go. Okay. Alrighty. We'll do an edge roll because the other thing that we can spot straight away from the edge roll is the clad quarters. They do stand out. Yay. Okay. We're trying to keep these to 10-minute bite size to make it fast paced and interesting. Yeah. I've been enjoying these, funnily enough. Yeah, I really have. It's been great fun. Because you're participating as well, you've got a chance of winning something, and that's not much, but it's something. Yeah. I think the Loch Ness Monster 10p that I saw on eBay was up for £7 something, so it might be worth a bit too. So, yeah. Bit of sharing the love and the luck. But of course, if I need whatever letter I find for my run of 2018 or 19, then I won't be giving that coin away, but I have, as I say, got that. I've got somewhere 50p that I found last week as well, and that is R from the Victory series, and I will happily give that away. Yes, I'll have to find it because I don't know what I've done with it. No, I don't think it went back in the bag. No. No. Probably in my box. This is my swaps box. I took a lot to that Antique and Collectors Fair a week or so ago. So it's looking a bit thin down now. I'm happy to do that, but you know, if I get a bit of a deal, but yeah. Okay, come on. Oh. Flipping all around, getting around the wrong way. Out of sync. There we go. Thought I dropped a bag there. It's an older portrait. Stick that in there. Okay, come on. We joked a little while ago about AI being involved in this, sorting the coins out on a machine. I know, scary. Yeah. Do you think they'll employ me? Get a job in the bank. Yeah, sorry, I'll give you that bag. You have to come back when I've checked it. Take me about half an hour. That's why there's a long queue in the back. Behave. Naughty. Naughty. Poor girls and boys all stressed out this morning. Yeah, there was a... Ward and his wife were queuing up. Mind you, the traffic was bad as well. But everybody's back to school and work as per, and there was a lot catching up to do. So the traffic was in a bit of a queue. Yeah. Ah. Yeah, that won't be on there now. Righty-ho, come on. Oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. We've got a tomato. Yay. This is Guernsey tomatoes. This is 1992. A territories coin. So it's Bailiwick of Guernsey. And they have the 3 lions. Yay. There we are. Nice. I'm getting quite the date right. Well, I will have when I sort them out, put them in. I'm running out of albums all the time. I know. I don't know what to do because it cost a fortune in album pages and things. Got them stored in boxes and things, and yeah. And it's not easy to get them all out every time to keep checking. I ain't complaining. You know it, don't you? Moaning Minnie. Yeah. This is the last bag of part 2. But we've got something on the deck, as you can see. Got ourselves a territory. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay. Last few coins in part 2, guys and girls. Don't forget, you can't guess in this one. I can tell what time you put the guesses in, so no sneaky last minute Joes. I'm quite strict. Yeah. There we go. That is the second hunt down, but we found a Guernsey tomatoes from 1992. There we are. So we'll clear the decks, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching, guys and girls. Take care until the next one. Bye bye.